Selecting the proper submersible water pump is extremely important in order to achieve optimum performance of your pond or water feature. Aquascape SLD Adjustable Flow Pond Pumps are high-flow, low-maintenance pumps, ideal for use in pond skimmers and pump vaults. Solids handling asynchronous motor technology provides superior reliability and allows the pump to handle solids effectively, resulting in less maintenance and trouble-free performance. The SLD pump provides complete control, allowing you to dial in the perfect water flow for your water feature. The included Smart Control receiver provides an integrated control panel and makes it easy to connect your pump to your smartphone or tablet. Download the Smart Control app and enjoy a variety of wireless control functions, including flow adjustment and customized scheduling. Aquascape SLD pumps are equipped with proven and reliable asynchronous, oil-free motor technology. The rotor and internal housing are built of stainless steel to resist corrosion. The ceramic shaft and bearings provide exceptional durability and reduced rotating resistance to ensure the rotor spins smoothly and efficiently. A series of cooling ports located behind the impeller circulate water around the rotating parts to ensure the motor operates at the optimum temperature. SLD pumps do not require pre-filter screens and cages commonly included on other asynchronous water feature pumps. This allows solids such as small rocks, mulch, and string algae to pass through the pump, resulting in a pump design that is extremely low maintenance. The durable injection molded pump body will not corrode or rust, and the rubber feet prevent vibration to keep the pump quiet while in use. The solids handling vortex-style impeller sets the Aquascape SLD pump apart from all other asynchronous pumps. Each SLD pond pump provides a 2-inch FPT discharge, allowing for quick and easy installation or pump replacement in new or existing water features. The SLD Adjustable Flow Pond Pump is designed to meet the rigorous demands of operating all day, every day, and is backed by a 3-year limited warranty to ensure years of reliable use. At Aquascape, your paradise is our passion. We've been creating and field testing water features for over 25 years in order to provide you with the most reliable products at the best value.